me, ma. Online, am I audible?
This meeting is being recorded.
Yes. Okay. Now, good afternoon, everyone. Good. How are you all? Fine. Nice. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. I'm good. Now, let's go here. Let's see. I am not fine, Kannaya. Very good, ma. Keep it up. So I wish you every day similarly. Why people will not be fine, Ray? You don't have any worries, na? Do you guys have any EMIs? Any credit card bills? Any rent? You are paying your credit card bill also without job. So why you take credit card without job? Huh? Charging. Huh? అవుతుంది నాది కదా అది ఓకే నాది తీసుకో ఓకే యా some apps will give listen having the credit card without job is like having the kids without marriage you can't manage it okay let me tell you honestly that is not legal also okay never ever go for it that slice pocket those are illegal okay now huh later you will feel bad about managing it you will understand anyway now let's start here dbs2 let me open it in compass so that we can able to finally understood everything MongoDB compass atlas is not connecting to compass error what error you are getting it ma bolo that much joke you can tell me Ray now if you wanted to connect to atlas sir, in your compass let me remove it let's go here let's just connect go here everyone listen I'm gonna explain it atlas and I'm gonna explain it the whole mongo whatever the things we need to do a chota project and then we'll do mysql revision okay I will give you all the notes and all the things available today only so that tomorrow you can practice it something interview questions or whatever the doubts and all and tomorrow we will finalize it okay now let's go here today is not last tomorrow will be let's go to atlas MongoDB atlas go to the sign in Google now MongoDB is emerging platform sir listen having a good skill in MongoDB will help you in future also because MongoDB is actually still in a beta phase only there are so many people who tried MongoDB in the early stages only but still MongoDB is not that much mature as MySQL okay MySQL is so mature that it can solve the real-time problems. MongoDB sometimes create the real-time problems. So you need to learn more deeply. Now let's see. Okay. How do you start MongoDB, sir? Go here, create cluster. Then you will go here. You can create your own cluster, which is free. I'm going with the free one. Oh, all are paid only. Where is the free one, right? Then oh, already I used one cluster na free one. So that is why it is not taking it. So go to my cluster only then. I have created one cluster. Aditya, then we are learning how to solve and create the problems. Yeah, that's the main interesting point here. Now, let's go here. Let's click here, connect ma. Can you see here, connect? Boys, focus here ma. Dekho. Click here, connect. It will show you how you can connect to different drivers. I highly recommend for you, try it driver. Go here, driver, select here Python, and then you will get the code. I didn't have PyCharm in my system, but if you have it, try it with PyCharm or something kind of one. It will give you complete code also to connect your Python. So automatically you can do basic things like adding, deleting, updating, CRUD operations. Okay, I will show some GitHub code today for project. Okay, now connect Compass. I have Compass installed. Go down. Can you see the link? Let's copy the link. Let's go to the Compass. Let's paste the link. Let's paste the link and let's go here. Let's click connect. Simple. Huh? Authentication problem. There was a problem connecting this. What is the problem? Edit connection string. Confirm. Still. Why it is saying it's problem? Bad auth. Authentication failed. That is because here maybe it is not able to take the password correctly. Go here. Colon less than. Let me try it here. Less than. Greater than. Now here, you know why it is getting problem here? Here they are saying it DB and DB password na. In that point, I have to put my password, which I forgot. Now, how to put the password then? I have to put my password, sir. Go here. Can I able to click here? Settings. Passwords. Google Password Manager. MongoDB. Atlas. Okay, no password only. I did Google authentication. Replace DB underscore password with the password of BigDB. Very good. But what is the password of BigDB? Let's go here. Let's change the password. Where is security settings? Left side. Huh? Left side. Is this the settings? Yes. Settings. Okay, I am sure like somewhere you will have some settings, forgot password or something. But sir, when we install MongoDB, it doesn't ask for password. You are not getting my point. Listen, MongoDB Compass is your local point. So it will not ask password. That is your local system. Similarly, like MySQL also. MySQL, when it is asking password, it is for only key, not the installing. But if you are connecting any local, any global one, if you are connecting anything like cloud, you need to give username and password. Okay. So if you are suffering with the same problem, you are also forgot my password. Simple. You also forgot your password. Manage your MongoDB account. Click here. Security. Email, SMS, biometric. Profile info. Go here, go here, go here. Seriously, who created it without password? Okay, go here. Unlink from Google. Then after this, it will ask me password, I think. I logged in with Google now. See, password reset. Came here. Go here. Create a password. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't use my password, sir. Now, go here. Go here, go here, go here, go here, go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why less than? Less than greater than ఉండకూడదమ్మా. Less than greater than place to see password is not updated only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Save and now it should work. Okay, here this password you entered is insecure. Cha. At the rate 1, 2, 3, 4. Your password is successfully updated. Go here. Let me write my password. It will connect, sir. Earlier it is connected now. Ayyo. Again and again the same problem. I have to click save. Click here save. Click here connect. No, it's not working only. Okay, I think something password is not changing it. Advanced connection settings. You are having it same connection. Here host name. Let's remove it. Somewhere either the link is wrong or the password is wrong. That's it. Okay, whatever it is. Now everyone listen. Hello, last boys. Class is started. Focus on the class. Whatever it is, the best method is to delete the account, try again. Okay. Create a simple account. Maybe I will do it later. Now try Atlas. Online Atlas 1 will work. Okay. If you can't able to connect Atlas into this, at least try to connect with PyMongo. PyMongo will directly get connected. Okay. Earlier it is connected to me also. I don't know why it is not. Go here. When I go here, okay. See, it is asking so many things. I need to do setup and all, I think. See? Okay. Anyway, let's forget about this. Let's open. If you are getting the similar problems, sir, check it your passwords. Mine problem is about password only. If password is right, it will 100% right. Okay. Today is Thursday. So what? Now, MongoDB Atlas is a basic MongoDB cloud platform, sir. If you connect it, you can able to create any cluster, any database. Similarly, you can provide settings. You can give someone access. You can do backups. Okay. If password is coming, but same problem, I don't know exactly, because earlier it is connected to me nicely. Only now it is not getting connected to me. Just check it upon ma once. Now, let's go here. Let's discuss more now. Okay, anyway, come back to this. MongoDB localhost. If I go to the compasser, inside the compass, I can able to see, everyone focus here. Inside the compass, you will always see one server running. Local server for MongoDB will always run 27017. Now, if you want to create a database, you can create a database by clicking this. Or if you want it like create some collection inside the database, create some collection. Or if you want to delete any collection, go here, right click or something this. Yeah. Delete a, drop a collection, rename the collection. Now, what if I want to do the same thing in command prompt? You will open command prompt. You will type it here, Mongosh. Now, using Mongosh, we have done create, read, update, insert. All the values we have done, sir. How do you create the data? How do you insert the data? Or how do you delete the data? How do you update the data? All four we have done. We done something called operators, and after that we have done something like aggregation pipelines. In interviews, people will ask mostly MongoDB interview questions related to MongoDB interview questions. Whatever the interview questions they will face, mostly MongoDB interview questions are based on uh, aggregation pipelines. Aggregation pipelines. Inside the aggregation pipelines also, mostly they will go with lookup, project, group. Mostly MongoDB they will go with lookup, project, and group, sir. Last boys, focus here. These were main important things. Okay. Now after this, they will also do some kind of chota operators. They will do operators like add, subtract. Interesting point is, for example, if they are asking MySQL questions, they will have something online compilers, na? Online, there are so many tools where they will show some kind of compiler and they will give you some tables. They will ask you how to write query. But in MongoDB, they won't ask like that. Because MongoDB, you won't use it for data analysis. For data analysis, we will prefer something called MySQL. If you go for tools like Power BI and all, they are inbuilt having the MySQL one. They won't go with the MongoDB because MongoDB also have data analysis, but it won't do for complex queries. Okay. Now you will use subtract. You will use and or and or and or what more are important? Text, which is for search. Okay. Or GT, LT equals similarly. Next, after this, they will ask you an interview and another question called replication. In interview, they will ask question replication, and in interview, they will also ask you question sharding. Yesterday, I explained replication and sharding, sir. I am going to explain replication and sharding one more time. Okay? And I think we also discussed this normalization and denormalization. Denormalization or acid properties. Acid properties. Now, let's see what is replication, sir. One more time. Everyone, please focus. When you are doing in system, stop it, sir. Please focus here. Replication and sharding, they will ask in interview these questions. First one, replication. Let me give you an image. So, okay, imagine. See this, guys. So, you are having one application, sir. Everyone, you are having one application. Now, this application, you will put one server, na? You will put one server. Imagine in MongoDB, one server I have put. Now that server only has to take the whole database, whole load. For example, take it now Amazon big day billion days has started. So people all will go to Amazon today, right? So its traffic will be more. Its traffic will be more than the usual one. When the more number of people are coming it, do you think Amazon will use only one server? No. But sir, will they maintain multiple servers always? No, that is also not true. For example, after 3 days, do they need any service, ma? No. So they need to do something only for these particular days. Now, how do they do it? So first, what they will do in MongoDB, imagine my Amazon using MongoDB. Actually, not. But imagine if it is using MongoDB, what it will do? It will always create replicas. Now that means some kind of fake kind of ones. For example, I need to give so much data to you all. Okay, I have so much data and I need to give all of you the data. What you will do, like instead of me giving all the data to everyone, I have put three people, and these three people have my copy. Three people, I gave three Xeroxes. First person is giving to 10%, second person is giving to another 10%, third person is giving to another third person. But interesting point is understand, the data is not divided. work is divided, load is divided. This is also load balancer. This is also called load balancer. Now, what this replication concept means? Replication means one MongoDB server will create few more servers to share the load. To share the load. Will they share the data, sir? Will they share the data? No. For 3 people if I created, first guy whatever he has, second guy whatever he has, third guy whatever he has, all are same. But still, 3 people will work parallelly to make the work as soon as possible. Okay? And each one is called replica set. Now each boy is called one replica set. I have 3 replica sets in my example. Is it clear, ma? Are you all getting my point? So how many replicas you will have, how many servers you will create to share your data, to share your load, those are called replica sets. What are they called? And the replica sets, always 3 replica sets will be there. One is primary replica set will be there. Primary replica set is the main server. Usually whenever you write the application, whenever you start the application, that application only will take it as primary. See, I am giving into 2 people. Imagine only 2 people are there. I am giving it into 2 people. I gave my copy. I have one data. I gave 2 people Xeroxes. With now, how many people have the data? How many people have the data? 3 people, including me, right or not? So that is the point. Actually, the data is with the 3. But I am a primary server. Primary server also participate in the replication. And this primary server can able to read and write. I can change my data basically because it's my. But when I'm giving these 2 data, these 2 people cannot change it. Sir, what if, sir, you just retire? What if you don't want to work? When my secondary server will be there, it will become the primary one. And a new replicas will come to, satisfy the load. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? Always in your replica sets, one primary will be there, one secondary will be there. Now, let's do here. Now, let me show you in this example. Now, see this example. Client application is there. This application can read and write by primary server. And this primary server is sharing the data between 2. And the 2 are secondary servers here. Now you can put it 1 as secondary or 2 as secondaries. Now here, whatever the data it is having it, imagine it is having something A, B values. This one also have A, B values. This one also have A, B values. What we will do with the replication exactly? We will share the load. What we will do, sir? Share the load. If someone asks you, give a practical example, sir. If someone asks you, give a practical example. When Amazon website load is more, Amazon wants to share the load with the another servers so that servers are also provided. So, like for example, I created one website in US. Imagine in US one website is there. I created one website in US, and in India some guy is there. Now Indian guy in US, I created one website and one guy is in India. Now, Indian guy wants to use my server. Indian guy wants to use my server. Imagine in US also I am so popular and I am getting it so many people. Now what I will do, sir? What I will do is, I will create a common server and I will share between the India. I will put another server. So only Indian people will directly to go to the US server and access. Are you getting my point? Asia wide I will put one server, or Europe wide I will put. Like this, people will put it multiple servers and they will share their particular load between the multiple servers. That is called replication. What is it called, sir? Replication. Now in replication, whatever the extra servers you created, each extra server you created is called replica set. Each server you created is called replica set. Now, is it clear, ma? Arey, let me know, Ray, if it is clear. Let me know if it's not clear. Let me know. I will tell you. Don't worry. Let me show you another one where I can see. Okay. Now go here. See, this is a pure theoretical concept, basically. In practical also we will do, but here we are not having multiple servers. Now, okay. Let me explain it in a brief. Everyone, देखो. Clients. Now, everyone listen. I am creating one website, sir. Everyone, I am creating one website for e-commerce store. Understand the example. You are creating one website called e-commerce store. Once you created the website, everyone will come to e-commerce store and will buy item, right? Right or not? Now, till now, no problem. Now I have one product, something men's shoe is there. Men's shoe. And the shoe, I just put it like something 299. Now today on an offer, I put a men's shoe which is for 299, and so many people are coming to my site and trying to buy the men's shoe. Is it clear? But where do you store this men's shoe and all details? You will store it in MongoDB, sir. Right or not? Sir, one MongoDB is there, sir. In one MongoDB, I just store one MongoDB application. I just store my detail shoe. And that shoe only I will show on the screen. But multiple people are coming to my store only. And all are accessing my store. Now what will happen, sir, if all people access same store? Imagine 1 lakh people, listen, a simple example. 1 lakh people go to a same product, click the same product, add to cart, same time. Imagine without any difference, same time they are doing it. Or 1 lakh people are currently doing transaction. All 1 lakh transactions should come to your bank account at a time. Then what will be the problem, sir? Server problem will happen. Server will crash. Server will say not reachable. This is what happened to 90% of government websites. You try to apply any government job and last day you try to apply, it will not come only. Right or not? Why? Why server is slow? Why it is not coming? Because they maintain one server. They maintain one server. Now, let's go here. And I am maintaining one server only. Everyone is targeting this only. Then imagine if someone gave me a solution, sir, maintaining multiple servers, sir. That is also problem only. Why? Because each server I have to pay, na? Each one I have to pay. Okay. Now, in my e-commerce store, imagine I put today 299. Everyone will come. And because everyone is coming, I bought 3 servers. Everything is smooth. Tomorrow, no one will come to my website. Now the remaining servers are waste of time. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? Now you have your home, and in the festival, all people are coming to your home. Now, because more number of people will come to your home is overloaded. Now you know what you will think? Will you buy another home for that? Will you rent another home, sir? Because if you rent it after the festival, what you will do with that rented one? Right or not? So until that time, what you will do? You will make these people adjust somewhere else, like your neighbor's place, like some lawn, like some garden, like some roof, relatives, whatever it is coming. So you will just push them somewhere else. Are you getting my point, sir? Imagine some functions are happening at your home. Everyone will do this. Right or not? Any doubts, ma? Servers are not databases. Online people are getting confused. Server is a backend which is writing your which is writing your Python and all. That server will connect to database. Okay. Now, so many people are coming to my home. Then I will say it like my neighbor also just take care of some people. Then this neighbor also take care of some people. Obviously, I can peacefully work it on. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts? Even though they are staying in neighbor's house, but still they came for your function only. You only have to feed them, right or not? Same way, even though they are going to different servers, even though they go to different servers, still they will have same data. You work it on any server, the data is same. Data cannot be changed, na? Are you getting my point? First one is because people are more, you are just separating it. Now, but how this secondary for primary and all? Now, I have two neighbors, sir. One guy is so good to me, one guy is toda, like not so much nice. Then first, whenever when relative came, I will push it into the close one so that he won't feel anything. When that guy is also overloaded, then only I will push it to the second guy. Is it clear, ma? The same way servers also will do. Servers are also, whenever you are trying to push, first thing you are primary. You are primary. Then always data will come to your primary one. Now then it will go to secondary. If the first secondary is over, then it will go to another one. Then it will go to another one. Each one is called replica set. What is it called? And this concept of spreading your data, spreading your host, whatever the load, spreading your load into multiple things. This is called replication. Concept of putting your relatives into your neighbors in your functions. This is called replication. Online, is it clear? Replica set. Replica is a set. MongoDB server maintain the same data set and provide high availability. Right. Perfect. Usha definition is perfect. Any other, ma? How are those secondary servers connected to entire data in the database? Because, listen, interesting point is, the secondary servers, whatever are there, they are dummy one only. Okay. They will created by primary. It's like primary created some kind of, secondary one in a dummy. It's like clone kind of form. Okay. Now they contain exact data. How they contain means we created them in that way. Okay. It will just contain the same exact copy. It's like Xerox copy. How the Xerox will have same thing in the original, sir? Because that's a Xerox. That's how it comes. Are you getting my point, sir? That's how it was maintained from the original. Any other doubts? Python servers hota. In Python will be in servers, and that servers are connected to the MongoDB ones. But MongoDB, how it will run? Dekho. You mean where you will host? In real-time application, it is different, right? Dekho, I don't know whether you knew this or not. How we connect to those in our development, if you want to know, you need to do that in a 2-3 servers. We are not having 2-3 servers, but if we have it, it will be connected. For your time information, I gave it in commands. Like actually, if you go here, MongoDB commands, I gave one PDF. In this PDF, they gave the commands for the replica sets. Replication. Replication commands. See, if you want to add anything, one replication into a server, then you will write rs.add. Okay. Now, if you want to print it, whatever the replication contains, rs.conf. If you want to know the status of the replication, rs.status. Simple. Okay. Now, understand it. Your Python servers and MongoDB servers are not same. In real time, how you will put your application front end? Not here. I will show it to you. I think you are just confusing in this. Now go here, create a full stack application. Now focus here. This is front end ma. In front end, what will be there? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay. In real time application, I'm telling it to you in real time. Kya hota? Now this application is connected to backend. How it will be connected to backend, sir? How your backend Python hai? How the front end connected to backend? API. Thank you, sir. Front end connected to backend through something called API. Now here you will write your Python. Actually, you will have in API endpoint, you will write it here Django framework. You will write it Python code only with whatever the code. It's not like Django only. It's like Flask or any other thing can be. Okay. Now here, imagine I wrote it with Django. Now this Django one is connected to MongoDB. Is connected to the MongoDB. Is it clear? Till now, any doubt, sir? Till now, any doubt, sir? No. Now, sir, where it is connecting? Your Python is connecting to where? My Python is connecting to one server name 72017. Okay, this is not 720, which is like 27017 something kind of one. How can we connect this with API? Not possible. I did not get it, Kanhaya. Now, listen to this. Everyone, listen to this, ma. You will connect your front end with API, and the API connected to your Django, and the Django will be connected to database. Now, sir, imagine my backend code need to do so much validations, or my backend code contains so many API routings, or my backend code contains need to deal with so many kind of data. Then you will buy different servers, okay, which are connected. These all are for Python only. Is it clear, ma? Same thing. This is all backend only. Sir, if it is shorter backend, you will put it in any kind of site. But if it is something bigger one, you will put AWS or you will put it in Azure, something kind of bigger one. But that is backend. Once you connected your backend with server, now this is backend server. I connected my backend server with 127017. Did you remember your compass is in 27017? Is it clear, ma? Your compass is in which server? 27017. Now you connected, sir. When you connected, now from this backend, so many people are connecting to this. From this backend, so many people are connecting to it. Then immediately what it will do, sir? It will create itself. It will create itself some copies. It will create itself. Think this each one connecting is like the relative. Now it is creating 3 copies. Now it is creating 3 copies. It will say each relative directly go here. Are you getting my point, ma? But actually backend don't know this. Backend knows only 27017. This 27017 is splitting it. People are coming, relatives are coming to my home only. They don't know anything. After they come my home, I am the one who is making them, settle in another places. Is it clear, sir? Is it clear, everyone? This is called replication and each set is called replica set. Okay? Replica set. But But there is one problem in replication also. There is one problem in replication also. Now, you know what is the problem? Imagine food time comes. Guys, now so many relatives are there. Some people are at my home. Some people are at another friend's home. Some people are at another friend's home. 3 neighbors. Now, imagine the food time comes. Everyone will again come to my home only now. Because I am the one that had to feed them, right? Then what I will do is, I will share my food. I will give some of the food to my friend and another friend. So that friend will take care of that food only in that server. This friend will take care of this food in this server and I will take care of it. Earlier, you just divided the people. Earlier, you just divided the load. But now you are dividing the data. You are dividing that is called sharding. That is called sharding. Yeah, that is called sharding. So now each one is called one shards. What is this? I will tell again. Now, here, listen. I wrote something right here. See, this database is having some story. Now, this database gave each one the same story in Xerox format, right or not? Because now each server is having same story, na? Okay. Now each server is also having same story. But this middle server is there, na? This middle server is I can't read this whole page. Then what it will do? It will divide the page into 3 parts. Now one part, each part it gave to one server separately. It's like one server, make it 3 servers again, and each server gave it to separate data. You are giving data now. Earlier, my website coming like, if 1 lakh people are coming to my website, all 1 lakh, some people will come to my server, another people go to another server, another people go to another server, but data is same. But this time, it is different. Only in India, some products I will show. Only in US, some products I will show. Or another person I will show and another one. That is called sharding. What it is called? Sharding. And the difference between replication. The difference is replication share the load. Replication share the load. Sharding share the data. Okay. Now, you will use it in real life. You will use it in real life when you are having multiple servers. Is it clear, ma? That is why yesterday, to explain this concept, I explained you system design. Okay. Now try to understand it. This is all will happen in a big game. Like when you are trying to make it from scratch, the MongoDB, you will do this. If you are making a short application, you don't need this. Is those things are there in MySQL? No. MySQL is not scalable. In MySQL, it won't create it automatically. That's why MySQL, you will use something called ORMs. Does anyone have any idea on ORM, sir? Very good. Sir? ORM. REM. Now, if you use ORM, there are so many famous ORMs are there. Now, this ORMs will take care of the same thing. Okay. Zangos will have ORMs. With MongoDB also ORMs will be there. Okay. Now, for complex queries, we'll use it. Object relation model. Now, any other, sir? Any other doubts? Now, now, normalization and denormalization, yesterday I told. Normalization means if you have one table, one document, imagine one document, dividing it into multiple documents because the document is so big. That is called normalization. Normalization means dividing one table into multiple tables. Even in MySQL, it is same. Even in MySQL, it is exactly same. Okay. Denormalization means combining 2-3 documents into one document. Okay. For example, go here. Ganzi. What is difference between aggregate and normalization? There is no relation only. What is difference? They are not at all compared. Aggregate is used for stages now. Try to do practice, ma. If you do one time practice, you will not ask silly questions. Anyway, I will explain it. Everyone focus here. Name, Raj. Something like email. Something like orders. Whatever the orders he did, or whatever the amount I did, amount I paid, or whatever the products I purchased, whatever the payments you did. Now everything is in one object only now, right? This is not a good design. Why? Because if everything you keep it in one point only, later people wants to know all the products which got sold recently. You have to go to each and every document now to find it. What are the last day orders? You have to go to each and every customer inside that to find it their orders. That is not a good way. That's why for orders maintain a separate collection, for products maintain a separate collection, for customers maintain separate collection, and this customer have something customer ID and they are connected to that, right? So you divide one nice table into one big nice table into multiple chota tables to make it easy look. That is called normalization. What is it called? Normalization. Now sometimes you need to combine only. Like for example, instead of this, imagine here name, email, and I have something called comments. Now comments I did. Now you can't bring all the people comments into one place, right or not? Because comments are for each individual, it's different. When I go for my comments, that is different, and your comments are completely different. Is it clear, ma? So comments has to be embedded. Sometimes documents need to be embedded. Sometimes documents need to be separated. When you are combining them, it's called denormalization. When you are separating them, it's called normalization. Okay. Now, any other questions? Now, for the project, sir, everyone listen. For the project, I highly recommend you all go here. There is one file here, official. In this, go to this official one. Connect your client with the MongoDB. Write it. Pip install MongoDB. Pip install PyMongo, and then write import PyMongo. I am just showing you how it is done. Everyone, see this. Can you explain lookup? I will try, ma. Lookup, I will explain. Now, listen. See this code, sir. I think you will understand similar code. Did anyone tried pip install, ma? Did you guys tried pip install? No. Okay, people who did not tried, pip install is similar to. Did anyone tried JavaScript here? JavaScript, how many of you people know? npm install. npm install. How, without JavaScript, how did you know that all? Huh? ఎప్పుడు విన్నావు యాంగులర్లో చేస్తారా జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ తెలియకుండా యాంగులర్ you are in my Angular class. So without you know JavaScript, I was the one who taught you the Angular. Did you remember at least Angular? No. छोड़ दो. Now, anyway, similar to NPM, that's the problem, Ray. Like, you know, most people don't know JavaScript. They try to learn React. Most people don't know React. They try to learn something next. Ultimately, they will go to YouTube. They will see something and they will be like, yes, I will learn today and I will get the job tomorrow. Some people will come to the course. First day, they will ask question when the course will be completed. Next day, they will ask when I will get my certificate. Then they will ask it like I did not get job only. This is really the sad thing. But believe me, one thing. Always every day when you see it in mirror, remember one thing. You are not born to come to Amirpet. Amirpet food may be good, but you should not live here. Anyone's hostel food is good, ma? Then why you are staying it more time? You should apply the jobs quickly. You should leave the Amirpet. A project chhod do re. Kuch nahi. Project nahi, kuch nahi. I'm telling it to you. Listen, you all are doing it courses 100% right. You are not born to do courses. My point is so simple. Take some project from the GitHub, put it in your resume, daily hit the jobs, go for walk-ins, try something. I don't know. You should get interviews, do match practice again and again. I think I told you in one day, right? The more you do pitch practice, after certain time, you will hit the ball. Simple. You don't need to know cricket. No one is here a professional batsman. We got it because from childhood onwards, we played it. Right? I'm talking normal cricket. Now, so my point is so simple. Try it. Okay? Now, let's go here. Walk-ins are mostly for BPO, sir. Kuch nahi hota. Go for it. Listen. Go to BPO interviews just as a time pass. What you will do in Amir? Go to BPO interviews. Even though BPOs are there, sit in front of the interviewer. Give as much as rude answers. In movies, how they will give hero and interview answers, na? Give really rude answers. Check your luck. You know, even in your BPO interview, if you give worst answers also, he will say, yes, you are welcome only. At least you will get confidence. Na? If you don't get confidence, one day time pass. Play with them. Simple. Are you getting my point, sir? It is for practice. Every ball need not to be sixer. We need to do gully crickets so that we will do one day stadium. Simple. If you never do gully, you will not eligible for stadium, basically. Is it clear, ma? Basically, no one can do every day, every ball six. Even it's Sachin, no one can do every ball six. One ball is yours, one ball is not yours. Simple. Now, huh? Sir, you are only person telling talk rudely. I am telling it now. Dekho, talk rudely. When you talk rudely, two things will happen. First person, either the other person hate you. If they hate you and leave you, sir, that's, that person is good. Even after talking rudely, other person is be with you means that person is desperate. Simple. That person is desperate. That means they need you. Simple. Then you are having the ball. They all know this already. This game, you should know this. Okay. Already girls know this trick. Now boys, understand it. When you talk rudely, if other person stays, ball is in your control. If not, no. So try to take that control. Now, now that's why try with managers. Now, next, at least you will get the job and money now. What is wrong with BPO? Ray? I'm just curious. What is wrong with BPO? Imagine you get a BPO job. You got a telecaller job. You got something like so, simple job. What is wrong in it? Huh? Time waste is happening in Amirpet, not in BPO. No, listen to me. Listen to me. Guys, you know what gives you motivation? Money gives you more motivation. Imagine you work in BPO, you get 10K, 5K you will give it to home, 5K you will spend it however you like it. And but Now also hostel fees is there, na? Now where you are getting hostel fees? Huh? No. My point is so simple, sir. Listen, nothing is wrong. Listen to me. Guys, you don't say to your home and all that you are doing the job. First 1 month, work it something job. Don't say to your home that you are working the job. I'm telling it honestly. That's not gonna work. Because when you say to the people, they will expect it something from you. Say that because anything may go wrong. The moment you get the job, don't tell to anyone. I'm telling it literally. Until you get the money in your hand, don't tell to anyone. Not even friends. Friends are the ones they will give party only. Your, especially boys, your 1 month salary is one night. Simple. So that's a one night sitting only. So now we all sit and eat biryani, na? We eat biryani a lot. Now, so the point is so simple, ma. Don't do that. Try to take it. Listen, try to take 1 month salary. Then you will at least have 1,000 with you. You imagine you got 10K. Ray. You are not born to do 10K salary. That I know. You have good dreams. But to apply good dreams, imagine I had told you guys one day, take Naukri Premium. You said it's costly. Or I told you to go for some consultancies. You said costly. True, money is there. So if you go and do 1 month 10K, 5K spend ho gaya, or 10K, 9K spend ho gaya, 1K will be there, na? Put this 1K into something job. Give this 1K, take Naukri Premium. Spend this 1K to learn one online course. Spend this 1K to start something new. Are you getting my point, ma? That 1K will teach you so many things. If you don't have money, you will not get money. I'm telling it to you. Money brings money. Okay. Zero hands, nothing only. Start work. Kuch bhi. PPO, there is nothing wrong. Especially girls, you will directly go walk in. You will get the BPO. If you have a good English, ma, you don't need interview also. Direct walk in, you will get it. Now, no, you don't need to allow the C comments. Now, comments are literally went bad. Now, everyone, listen, I started with my salary of 12K. I'm telling it. Now, it's in 6 figures. Okay. Here only I get it more than 1 lakh. I work in two things. Okay. I have 6 years experience in Verizon. That is one of the top product-based company. I have my own company and I work it here morning to evening. So that's it. Huh? Interesting. Listen, guys. Interesting point. Everyone, you know, at the end of the month, even I struggle to have tea. Money will be, money won't be the same, guys. Listen to me. When you have 10K, you will spend 10K. But if you are in software, when you have 10K salary, 15K you will spend because you will have 5K credit card. And that 5K credit card will goes to the next month and you will convert that to EMI each month 2K. Then again, every month you will spend it for that. This is how you will go into the loop. Now, especially to the boys, I'm telling it. Never ever tell to the people, like especially your parents and all, you all take care of them. But if you tell it directly, their expectations will go to higher. My son is earning starting only 40,000. Next year he will get 1 lakh and then next year 2 lakh. Simple. Then they will ask you to buy car, they will ask you to buy home or whatever the things. Okay, yeah, simple. Are you getting my point, ma? Things will happen, but money will not be, the main target. Your main target should be, you know, what? Your skill. What if tomorrow someone, tomorrow if someone, something, whatever learning I learned, what if it lost? If I lost my job, I don't care because I'm having morning teaching here. If I lost the job here, I don't care. I have something on my own there. If I lost everything, kuch nahi hota. I have savings. You got my point? And I have good friends now because I have money now. So obviously, they can help me if I lost everything also. And I can start. This is all about, listen, you all will get it one day. Everyone will get it in the same point. I'm telling it, after 5-6 years, you all will get it so much money. But you need to struggle from today. If you enjoy now, it won't happen. Nothing comes from free of cost. Okay? Especially in Amirbet. It's simple. One friend will be there. They will be like, come mama, we will just eat something. We will go. We will go some movie. We will go some sitting. Ho gaya. Days ho gaya. Now, that's true. Now, Acha, why did we started this discussion? I forgot. We started for MongoDB. Re. Now, listen everyone. Connect your PyMongo with your Python project. Okay. Now, in this Python project, write it here PyMongo and Mongo client and give your MongoDB URL. Now, this is your URL common for everyone. Give here database name. Give here whatever the collection name. Automatically, your collection will be connected. Then all you need to write it if you want to insert some data. You can write it db.c. If you want to print it all the details, you can write it print statement. If you want to write it something like insert db.collection.insert. If you want, instead of db, you will write always client ma here. See, because your db is client. So you will write client dot insert collection dot insert one, client dot collection dot insert many, or client dot insert collection dot update one or update many. Do those kind of things. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear, everyone? Now, what's the time? Yeah, in the meanwhile, for SQL also, I told SQL practice, SQL 50. Tomorrow will be our last day and I will ask, no holiday. Tomorrow I will ask all of you how many you completed in SQL 50. Okay. Only today do one night, one day batting. Okay. Do it one day batting. No need to sleep and all. You guys all are simple students only now. So no need to sleep. Anyway, you will sleep at 12 o'clock, right? Anyone sleep at 10 o'clock? You are the only one. Boys, 10 o'clock you will sleep. Yeah. Do you have any friends, ma? Ah, very good. Don't stay with any people only. Sleep like that. If you have friends, you will not sleep 10 o'clock. Simple. Especially in hostels. Are you staying in hostel? How are they allowing, Ray? When I used to sleep, they used to beat me. Get up. Simple. Now, anyway, anyone sleeps early, we used to beat them. Simple. They used to get up. Now, anyway. Arey. I never laughed at YouTube comments also this much, Ray. Seriously, my class comments are too bad. Now, anyway. Now, so, everyone, today, don't sleep at 10 o'clock, ma. Today, try to do 12 o'clock. Complete the MySQL 50. At least 25 complete it. Bring all your doubts. We will see it. And interview questions also. Let me open it. Guys, everyone, we have one drive, sir. Google Drive. Open it. Now in this Google Drive, I have SQL 50. I have something called report. This is what I did projects. Notes. Last voice. Focus here, ma. Whatever the notes is, I did in SQL. Whatever the classes we had it in SQL, and tables, everything concept is there. And also we will have SQL interview questions also here. I will give you SQL interview questions. I think I gave somewhere SQL interview questions are also there. Where is this? In MongoDB also it's there. If you go here, MongoDB, go here, go to MongoDB folder. If you go here, MongoDB interview questions are there. SQL interview questions also I will put this is MongoDB interview questions, and SQL interview questions also I will put it. Try to read those interview questions. Okay. And tomorrow we will discuss it. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. That's it for today. Thank you all. What is your company name? Where is on? Where is on? If some doubts in future, how will we contact you? Come to Naresh IT. Verizon spelling Verizon. MongoDB कुछ नहीं है project. MongoDB में project नहीं रहता. This is only. I told you to do this na. I thought I can only do Python, but the SRC is not connecting na. You can try this. This is only project one. The code is there na. Try that code. In MongoDB we don't do any data analysis. If I have to do the project, either this I have to connect, or I have to do taking one database, creating a collection. Normal only I have to do. That's it. SQL notes, you have posted interview questions of MySQL. Oh, that's nice then. Can you please tell to resume preparation? I will tell Ray resume preparation tomorrow. Show where is MongoDB interview questions. Inside the MongoDB folder. Huh. You ask me some questions now. Let me open them, Ray. You Gmailed me. Name? Hitesh. Ritesh. Please solve this. Link. Lead code problem. Students and examinations. Okay. Student ID, student name. Student ID is the primary key column with unique values for this table. Okay. Each row of this table contains ID and the name of the student in the school. Correct only, na? There is something called subjects. Subjects. Student ID is there. Subjects is one table. And another one is a subject name is there. Okay. No need to connect three things. Two things are enough. Because in this also subject name only there. In this also subject name only there. If you connect this one with this one, automatically it's same. Okay. You connect only examination and students. You don't need it the third one. Okay. Yes, Kanaya, that is only.